4,000, 4,000. So that's how you know you're loaded up whatever program you want to run. You got to be in memory.
Got it. Okay.
Once you're done with that, you're good to come over here to this panel. And then that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Once you got everything loaded up, you know, once you make sure your programs are good to go, then you're going to go ahead and just punch. It's going to cycle through and punch all the way through. And now it's going to come out.
Okay, now we have the punch engaged here. Nice smooth running machine here. Beautiful. And then we got a chiller here. Looks like a new chiller. And they do have all the covers for the machine, especially around the turret area. And that's it. No, dry run, yeah. Yeah. Well, it started up pretty easy and did everything you needed it to do. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. Yep. All right. Perfect, man. Thank you.